Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Welcome to Amavans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Gwinda.
Sibo.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm so disappointed.
Yes.
Kitlegi Parisutu da.
Yeah.
Kirikito pakamisa car. But unfortunately, Kabuka Riatamai.
It's gone.
Kitle Mwabana Gishapile Gaba Hikiri. Pakamisa car. Yeah. So, but Sibo, Timu Ikile Inyaga draw.
Fair.
Ibisa Bapali. Ayabapala.
Yeah.
But Nagi Namekeza just supporter. But I wish Pirates in the league.
Yes.
Yeah, I wish Pirates in the league.
Yes.
Thank you.
But at least only game is a A1.
Come on, babe.
So Pirates ikasiba 2 game.
Yes.
2 game Santan Irutifas in the cup.
Yes.
So Nagirai Pirates guys, this guy fella moya.
Yeah.
Thank you, my brother.
Yes.
Stivo, nangu babu mtongo. I last saw you in Mbombela Stadium.
Yes.
When we won 3-0.
Yes.
Today, Pirates, Tina.
Yeah.
We made a mistake.
Yeah.
It even sitting on Manyamatot.
Yeah.
Sometimes just feeling a mental attitude.
Yes.
Wrong.
Yes.
We need to learn to win.
Yes.
Even if we play ugly.
Yes.
Now, tomorrow we are going to Loftus.
Yes.
To support South African football.
Yes.
And we wish Sundowns the best.
Yes.
Mara siyabuyela Mbombela.
Yeah.
Sizoti Koreane. Abafa bani.
Yeah.
Abafa bani. Number 1.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Thank you,